Welcome to Woodlands Maths videos. I was asked a question in school last week. How do you compare these fractions and decimals? And the kids decided that they wanted to change everything into decimals. So we've already got a decimal here. They did know what those two fractions were, but if they didn't, I just said to them, well, what does that mean? It actually means 1 divided by 5. What does this actually mean? It means 1 divided by 4. And if they're put in that position and they don't know, if you divide 1 by 5, then 5 goes outside the bus stop and you put your 1 inside the bus stop. And you shove a few wee zeros after the decimal point, and you might need to go further, you might not need them all. So let's set up the quarter. We put a 4 in the outside of the bus stop and we put a 1.0 inside the bus stop with lots of zeros just in case. Let's go up here and let's cancel this 1 down. 0 remainder 1, get the decimal in the right place. 5 into 10 is 2, and we've finished. So we've got 0.2. This one, 4 into 1 is 0, 1 left over. Keep the decimal place. 4 into 10 is 2 remainder 2. 4 into 20 is 5. And we've finished. And the kids went, okay, this is the biggest number here, because 25 is bigger than 2 and bigger than 8. So we just made the simple comment, to compare decimals, we must have the same number of decimals after the point. Must have same number. Actually, we just referred to it as digits. So what we then changed this into, we then changed that into, well, we've got a 0.25 here. So we just made that into 0.20, and then we made that into 0.80, and all of a sudden the penny dropped. So from biggest to smallest, we made it 0.80, we made it 0.25, and we made it into 0.20. So we could then rewrite that as 0.8, 0.25 is a quarter, 0.2 is 1/5. And we had a happy customer. So we then went on to those three. This means 5 divided by 8. That wee symbol there is a divide. So we set that one out, 8, and we shoved a few extra zeros after the 5. 8 into 5 is 0. 8 into 50 is 6. 8 into 20 is 2. 8 into 40 is 5. All of a sudden we got the decimal. We've already know that one, and they happen to know that 1/10 was 0.1. What's the difference just now? We need to write them all out with the same number of digits. So 0.625, this one became 0.400, this one became 0.100, and immediately we were in a happy place. Biggest to smallest was 5/8 first, 0.4 second, 0.1 last. Hope that helps. All done. Magic.